Hey guys, I'm back! So today we're going to jump right into a recipe that's a personal favorite of mine because it has pasta, it has cheese, it has chicken, and it has homemade pesto. Let's get cooking!
We're going to start off with one large chicken breast. You can use 2 small chicken breasts if that's what you have available. You just need about 2 cups worth of chicken in the end. So season the chicken breast with salt and pepper, and we're going to cover it with foil and bake it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's get started on the broccoli and the pasta. You're going to need 2 cups of broccoli and 8 ounces or half a box of pasta. Steam the broccoli until just tender and boil the pasta until almost al dente, around 7 minutes for both of them, and rinse the pasta in cold water to stop it from cooking any further. Set it aside to drain. Now we're going to remove our chicken from the oven and cut it into bite-sized pieces. And if your chicken breast was as thick as mine is, don't be concerned if there's a little bit of pink in the middle. We will be baking this again for 20 minutes and it'll have the chance to cook all the way through. Alright, now let's get started on our roux. We're going to need 2 tablespoons of butter and swirl it around the pan until it's fully melted. Then we're going to add a 1/4 cup of cornstarch, whisking it until it's incorporated. Slowly whisk in your milk, getting rid of some of the larger lumps. I prefer to do it in increments. It makes it a little more manageable and helps it thicken up a little faster. Now we're going to mix in our 1/2 cup of heavy cream and just continue to whisk it. Just whisk away. The whole process takes about 5 minutes, so it goes pretty quick. Now let's mix in our cheeses. I used 1 cup Parmesan, 1 cup Mozzarella, and 1 cup Cheddar, along with some salt and pepper. You can use whichever cheeses you like. Cream cheese works great. It's just personal preference. Now we're going to mix in our pesto and keep whisking until it's fully incorporated, just like that, before adding in our broccoli, our pasta, and our chicken. Now that everything is in the skillet, we're going to give it a quick stir until everything is coated in the cheesy deliciousness. Smooth out the top a little bit before adding 1.5 to 2 cups of your preferred cheese. I picked mozzarella, and then a 1/2 cup of your preferred breadcrumbs. Now we're going to bake it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes or until the top is golden brown and the cheese is melted. Enjoy!
Ready? Tap your hand.